These Russian troops show their guns to school children in the occupied Kherson region.
Я воюю уже больше 20 лет. Это же нацизм. Я не знаю, фашизм-то.
Moscow calls such visits lectures of courage. Kindergartens are now made to celebrate Russian military holidays, like Defender's Day. Even Christmas events are military-themed. Occupational officials set up memorial sites to honor Russian troops in schools, like these in Skadovsk and Zalizny Port. It's absurd. Now children must laud those who kill and their friends and neighbors. Pro-Ukrainian views can get you 20 years in jail. People are kidnapped, their homes raided. This man was arrested as an alleged sympathizer of the Ukrainian army. Mass deportations are ongoing. The Russia-installed governor of Zaporizhzhia openly admits it.
Выселили большое количество семей. Понятно, что мы их просто вытесняли.
Brainwashing, fear, and complete control. The people of Ukraine will never yield to Russia's totalitarian rule. Hell no!